Hello everyone, in this video I will be telling you about friend function. It's a program of friend function. Before I tell you about details about this program, I would like to tell you about the friend function. That actually friend function is basically used for making a friend to a function which is a non-member of that class. So it can access all its private part. That is the use of basically friend function. So this is a program in C++. So I just discussed now with you this. First of all, we have written a class employee. So the class name is employee, and the curly braces on. Then I have defined the data types int a comma b, then public, then accessifier I have given it public. That means anyone can access it. So in public I'm writing is void get data, void put data, and then I'm with red marker you can see that friend void this I have written. This is a friend function, this one. Then this is how the class is being closed. This is how it always get closed with a curly braces close and a semicolon there. Then I'm defining void employee class. That means I'm just saying that from employee it is you from the employee class, this which is this the previous class, this class its member function. This is a scope resolution operator. This is a scope resolution operator. So we are with this what happened is this tells you that okay, this is a member of this class employee, and get data is this get data. So I have from the scope resolution operator I have taken from the employee class I have taken this, and I'm defining actually its definition of this function which I have already defined earlier as public. I'm saying a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 20. So I'm giving this value of a and b. So with the curly braces closed, so I have defined the definition of get data. Similarly, in the similar sense, I have also defined void employee. Same, the class name is employee, and with the scope resolution operator again, this is how we connect with the non member functions. If I want to connect a class with a with the defining the class variables, this is how I do with the help of scope resolution operator. And then I put a put data function, which is this one, and cout is basically for getting the output on the output screen. So we use cout, and this is the less than sign, two less than signs we use for seeing the output. A and cout b. On a and b already value we have given in get data, that is 10 and 20, right? Then I have with this red mark I have defined the friend void disk function, which you have already, you can see the difference. If you have created a friend class, then you don't have to friend, this function was friend void disk, so you don't have to use the scope resolution operator with the class name. You just write void disk cout a plus b, and then the main definition in the main function of the program rather. This is the main function of the program in which I'm writing int main function curly braces on employee. I have taken a class employee, this employee class object as e, and I am calling the with the help of object get data, the function which I already defined, and the friend function. It need not be defined with the help of that object which I have already defined in the e class. So this is the difference. All the red marks is showing the friend function. So I hope you understand the concept of friend function and the diagram of and the program of friend function. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.